Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a chalkboard sign on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers the product directly to customer from China and provide a 90-day return policy. So here I will search button and directly search for the chalkboard sign. Okay. So here we can see. So I will just go it here. Okay. So this product will cost you around $45.99 on Amazon, but here you are just paying $5.79. Okay, so hence you are saving 87%. So here we can see chalkboard signs. Okay, we can made it. So this product will cost you around 4.7 star, and here we can see it's a very good product. And if you see the detail, so it is made up of a PET, a polyphenol, terephthalate. Okay, and here we can see the other detail also. So it's a wall mount. Okay, so to buy this product you have to click on add to cart button, then you have to click on the buy button and follow the instructions to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a chalkboard sign on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.